Today's house we love is one of the most amazing and best value homes we've come across in a long time. If you've been looking for a home with a real wow factor, this might be the one. It's located in the region of Piedmont in the village of Mongrando, within walking distance of shops and restaurants. This home is about an hour and a half north of Turin, and the same distance south of the Italian Lake District. It's also within comfortable proximity to France, Switzerland, and the Gran Paradiso National Park. This would make a very impressive family home or tourist accommodation. There's a link to the Realtor's original listing in the video notes below, so please contact them directly with any questions or for any clarifications or to move forward on this property. With an incredible 700 square meters of living space, this home has 8 bedrooms according to the floor plan, which has been included in this video. There are also 5 bathrooms, a fenced garden, 4 garages, and a charming courtyard. According to the Realtor, it's in good condition, partially renovated, and overall very well maintained. It's divided into 3 living sections. The first section is the most renovated. It has 2 bedrooms, both with balconies, as well as 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, dining room and living room with a fireplace. It has its own recent condensing heater and double glazed windows. The second section is full of character with 2 lounges, a marble fireplace, vaulted ceilings and frescoes. There are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom along with attic rooms, which can be used for additional living space. The third section overlooks its own courtyard and has a living room, functioning kitchen, dining room, double bedroom and bathroom. There is also a bonus room connected to one of the garages. This part of the home also has a new methane gas heater and double glazed windows. It's been on the market for a little over a month and the asking price is 149,000 euros. This works out to be just 211 euros per square metre, which is well below the national average. Thanks for watching. We hope you love this home as much as we do, and we'll be back soon with more.